on your YouTube app. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us.
It's a lovely session of spinach or any other kind of a green kootu. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa recipes. I am Keerai. This is a lovely curry or a gravy which is made with the help of greens. So we are going to do this with the Amaranth variety of leaves. So a lovely session of nice spinach curry. Cooking is a beautiful process and we are going to make it very simple. That's the main aim of dosa to pizza. So first of all, let's wash the Bengal gram dal and in the cooker vessel, and then we are going to add the ingredients slowly one by one. To the washed dal, add water. This is not going to be more of dal because this is going to be a less of dal and more of greens, because we are going to have a more fibrous diet now, and that's why we are adding very little of dal to this dish. Let's just sort the onions and the tomatoes, and then we will add it to the cooker vessel. Here to a small pan, add little oil, add the onions. Meanwhile, let's grind the cumin seeds and coconut together. Pour little water. Here we have a coarse paste of coconut and cumin. The onions are sorted very slightly. Now let's add the tomatoes. Can you see a slight sorting is enough for this? Now to the dal, add the clean, washed and chopped greens. Now let's add the fried onions and tomatoes. Now let's add all the powders one by one. Coriander powder, chili powder, pepper powder. This pepper powder is to remove any kind of allergic or poisonous material which might be present in the greens. Turmeric powder, some hing. Now lastly add the coconut gravy which we ground. Put some water, very little water. Add required amount of salt. Now let's cover the cooker vessel and put it for 3 to 4 whistles on the stove and remove it. Allow this to cool completely. The spinach gravy or the amaranth curry is ready to be served. We need not again season it. We are going to just add ghee on top of it. So dear friends, a quick and easy session of this spinach curry or the amaranth gravy is ready to be served. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza, and for your principal recipes, visit dosatopizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.